So we're here at Allied, and we're going to walk you through how to install your new Duet handlebar stem system. So first, we'll go through the tools you're going to need: 4mm Allen key, 2mm Allen key, and a torque wrench with a 4mm insert. So these are things that are going to come in your package. You're going to have the bar, stem with the bolts, as you'll see, installed backwards with a little plastic piece right here, which is the spreader, and a Garmin computer mount already installed. There will be a top cap for when you install it onto the bike, a Wahoo computer insert if you run Wahoo, and some assembly pastes. So it's very simple. So as you see, this thing comes installed, a little plastic spreader installed. What you're going to do is kind of wind that out. And what this is doing is kind of opening up the clamp area so you can run the bar through easily without worrying about scraping the finish. So just wind this all the way out, kind of going back and forth. Also, thing to note, all the fasteners will already have been greased, so you do not have to worry about that. So you can see you kind of open it up like that, all the way to the end. You're going to take the bar, run it through. See how nice and easy that was? So I would leave it a little bit off. You're going to open up your assembly paste, take a little bit out, finger, install a bit on the bar, like so. If you want, you can also put some on the face plate. It's not necessary. Just one surface is just fine. Run that over. Then just take that 4mm Allen key and just wind these back. Remove them from the back of the stem. Be careful that you keep the washer on the bolt. You're going to need that as you reinstall. You can see that. There's one. Same thing on the other side. Okay, when you do that, little plastic piece will fall right out. Okay, then you're just going to, making sure you have the washers installed, move the bolts to the front. Okay, now just tighten it enough so you can still move the bar. Oops, it's just right here. Line it up. You're going to have two silver marks on the side. They're going to be on either side of the stem. These should both be visible. You're going to rotate your bar to the desired position. Put some bolt tension on. Also important to go back and forth. You don't want to just put all the torque onto one bolt at a time. Kind of ease your way up to it. As it starts to get tight, you can move over to the torque wrench. Set that to 5 Newton meters. And again, walking back and forth, give like a half turn to a quarter turn. Oh, there it goes. On either side. And then always a good idea to just go back and check to make sure that it's maintaining torque. And that's it. If you do want to swap to the different computer mount, very straightforward. Take that 2mm we have here, remove these top screws right here, take your Garmin mount off. In this bag, there's going to be some shorter screws. Grab 2 of those. You are going to thread these directly into the stem. It's just going to be the computer mount and the stem. Take care when starting it. You don't want to obviously cross thread these. Okay, put the Wahoo on there with the only remaining holes left, and then take the other shorter screws and mount the puck to the computer mount. And just take care when starting it. These do take a second. They have a lot of Loctite on them, but it should go in no problem. That's it.